I don't subscribe to anything that talks about this is the only way black boys can learn or black girls can learn or this is the only way to teach. I don't subscribe to that. Because if I line up the 2 or 3 pictures of teachers who have impacted my lives in just like in incredible ways, some are going to blend into my family Christmas picture and a couple are going to stand out. I mean, my second grade teacher is going to stand out big, the Irish woman from New York. And Sister Mary Claire, and I keep in touch with her today. I go to New York, we go out for lunch. We enjoy some wine. I was like, nuns drink wine, sister? She was like, you know it. But you understand what I'm saying? So, while I don't doubt any of the adversity that your kids go through or you're dealing with, I'm just telling you, their circumstances aren't why they're going to succeed or fail. Just like for those kids of those teachers we talked about this morning, that teacher who you knew that kid was going to be successful, that success of that kid was not ever based on the kid. These are the same teachers who on day one are telling kids, you're going to be amazing, it's going to be an incredible year. You don't know that much about the kid coming in. You don't know nothing. But you do know it's going to be a great year, and they are going to be successful because you're not basing that on what you see in the student. They think you are. They think you saw something magical in them, but you're basing it on what you know about you and your teammates surrounding you. That is a philosophy called the answers in the room. And that's what this work has to be about.